Hi guys, welcome back to Cardz TV with Mary. Today we're going to make a Mother's Day card for the Mother's Day card series for 2018. This is card number 1. We're going to start out with a white card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when folded. And I've cut these two mats, and I love this hot pink. Now, my plan was to use my Cricut Explorer for this card today. My internet was out, but luckily I still have my Cricut Expression, and I know a lot of you have yours too. So I pulled out my Elegant Edges cartridge, and I flipped over to page 24, and I cut out this oblong out of this cute little hot pink gingham paper, and then for the matching hot pink mat behind it, I used the shadow, and I cut that at 5 inches. And you can see I've already stamped it, and I don't know if you can see, I heat embossed it, and it's kind of shiny. I used some Versamark VersaFine Onyx black ink and some Ranger Superfine Clear embossing powder to emboss that. And Happy Mother's Day came from the Cardz TV Happy Days stamp set. Where is that? There it is, right there. Happy Mother's Day. And there's lots of happiness on this card set, guys. And I hope this will make you happy. But for a limited time, the Happy Days stamp set from Cardz TV is on sale for $9.99 with free shipping and handling, guys, while supplies last. So you can hop on over to the Cardz TV Stamps site, and you can see right here is where you need to go and pick this up and get it for a really good price with free shipping and handling. So I'm going to take my art glitter glue, get these two mats adhered together and on the front of my card. Now we've got all this white and hot pink going on, so I thought it'd be fun to take some black and white polka dot to kind of anchor these pastel colors. So I cut this little banner out of some black and white polka dot paper. It was just a little scrap, and flagged the ends, and I'm going to adhere that down flat. And I wanted to add a pot of tulips, because the other day when we were going out, we passed this beautiful yard, and they had a stone fence around the front, and all the way down this stone fence were these beautiful red tulips. And I've just been thinking about those tulips ever since, so I had to do a card with some tulips. So here you see I've got a pot of tulips. I've got this on foam tape. And this came from the Walk in My Garden cartridge. I love that one. It's old, but it's got some gorgeous flowers in here. And even some little bees, and there's a wheelbarrow full of flowers. It's just a great cartridge. But my pot, let's see, is on page 91. We'll flip back over to that pot, and I'll tell you what size I cut it at. Here it is, right here. Here's my flower pot, and I also cut an extra rim for it, and I popped that up on some foam tape just to give it some extra dimension. And I cut the pot at 1.5 inches. Then I flipped over to page 99, and I cut the border in the tulips because I wanted my pot full of these beautiful tulips. And I cut the tulips at 2.5 inches. And I stuck them down in that pot. And as I said, everything's on foam tape. So we'll get this stuck down right over here. I'm going to get this glued down and get all that foam tape off. And then we're going to come back and add some enamel dots. I went ahead and put the enamel dots on there, and I think it turned out so pretty. Now guys, if you'd like some more card making inspiration, you're going to see a link to another video that you can click and go check that out. And you're also going to see my little icon pop up. And if you'll just hit that and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell which will inform you each time I post a new video. Thanks so much for coming by today, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.